To transfer cryptocurrency from one platform to another, start by opening the initial app. Navigate to the Account section, typically found at the bottom of the screen, and select the Wallet option. This will display the total value of your cryptocurrency holdings. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, such as Bitcoin. Click on the Transfer button, followed by the Withdraw option in the subsequent pop-up window. Select the External option, then click on Add Wallet Address. In the new window, choose the desired network and paste the wallet address from the recipient platform. To obtain this address, open the Recipient app, scroll down to the Account section, and select the Cryptocurrency option. Find the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Select it, and click on the Transfer button. In the pop-up window, choose Receive, and you will be provided with a deposit address or wallet address. Copy this address and return to the initial app. Paste the wallet address, ensuring the network matches the one used in the recipient app. Enter a wallet name, then continue. The wallet address will be added, and you can proceed to click on the Withdraw button next to the newly added wallet. Confirm the withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to transfer in your local currency, and click Withdraw. Review the details, confirming the wallet address and network are correct. Then click Confirm. You may be prompted to enter a passcode. Do so, and the transfer will be initiated. Following these steps will successfully transfer your cryptocurrency from one platform to another.